Leading off the lights, right fielder number 27, Logan Glass.
I got it.
Worcester, can you show us how to blow a kiss?
What's going on, everybody? Arty 84 here. Wicked Explorers here in Worcester, Massachusetts at Polar Park for a Worcester Sox game here on this beautiful Sunday in June, playing the Charlotte Knights. We're going to explore the stadium, take some video, go around. This is our third time at the park. It's the second official game. First time we were here was rained out. We had to go again. But we don't really got any video of the park, so we're going to walk around, take some shoots of different areas of the park. This is in downtown Worcester. This park opened 2 years ago. And, well, I think last year, actually, that was the first year. So I think this is the second year of the park. So here we go. Let's check it out. Yes, that was a duck boat. You can actually sit in a duck boat and watch baseball. All right, so the oddest part about this park is there's a street here. Now, they just blocked off the street. But this is part of the stadium. I can walk in, around to the stadium and stuff like this, but the street's there. I don't know what their future plans are. They're obviously doing construction over there. But it was like this last year. Like, we kind of walk out of the gate and you're kind of still in the park, but you're like on a street. Kind of like Yawkey Way at Fenway, but like, they got a restaurant up there, they got a bar, we can go get a drink. I'm not quite sure. I kind of like the idea. It kind of takes you out of the park a little bit, but at the same time, it's interesting. It's like so unofficial. They just got a metal detector and a guy collecting tickets on there, but oh, hey, if it works, it works. The good thing about this park is it's a new park, so you can move around very easily. The one gripe I have about it is the aesthetics, but you know, let's go check out what Ray Center looks like. That's not the stadium right there.
Pass the car down their entire
jump the
row
fence,
back
but
fastest.
we got by these guys.
Goes home with a free scrubbing up car wash.
Who knows?
Are we ready?
So they're probably gonna do something more official over here since this is only the second free.
Set,
So
go! And they're off. There they go. Row 18 has a slight. Uh-oh, we had a little pothole there. Leading off the lights, right fielder number 27, Logan Glass.
I got it.
So back on the aesthetics of the stadium, this is kind of, we'll show a video of the front, but this is like kind of a side view over here. It's kind of built to look like an old, like, kind of reminds me of like a storage facility or like a warehouse. in this area of Worcester, I believe there was a bunch of warehouses where they're in the spot, and the train tracks are actually right there. So it's an old factory town, so I guess they're trying to work on the aesthetics itself, but it's an interesting pick. But I do like the fact that half the stadium is built on a hill, so when you walk in from this part of this town, you're at grade, but then if you walk in that side over there, you're a lot lower. So you basically walk in lower, so you have to walk up slow and walk down this cool little ramp and stairs that'll take you down to where we are for the main course. Because in the train field, everyone's from Houston, they have a fig tree at Minute Maid Park. But yeah, they got a real train that runs by, which is pretty cool.
Designated hitter number 26, Eloy Jimenez.
Worcester's definitely making an attempt to redo this area over here. Obviously taking down buildings, we're going to be developing this whole entire area, which is going to be great. They already started to build stuff over there, and also on park. So it's actually a cool thing they're doing here. And it's a great addition to the city of Worcester, which is the second biggest city in Massachusetts, and top 5 biggest cities in New England. So good for Worcester.